Okay. Oh my god, there's something in here. Oh wow. That's a bandicoot. Wow. That's a very big one. Oh my gosh. I was wondering what's that noise? See, not all like that look like are actually rat. It's a bandicoot.
Very scary.
Aw, it's so cute. Oh my god, we have a visitor. Look. We have a visitor. A cassowary right here in our tent. What is he doing?
Looking for food.
Oh my gosh. It's just right here. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What a way to start your morning, eh? That's beautiful. Let's go to the neighbor. Good morning.
Morning. Second day.
We try to download a video to. There must be something. Ah, there it goes. Papa Cassowary on the road. That's a nice one.
They're everywhere. Cassowaries
Everywhere.
coming out of our ears.
Yesterday we saw 4 cassowaries. There was
Probably the same cassowary.
no, surely not.
He
There
just
was
gets
a
around a lot.
baby. Wander off everywhere. We saw yesterday one in here, just somewhere here in the corner, near the sign Etty Bay, with a baby. That was a papa one, of course, because always the papa that looks because it's always the papa that looks after the baby chicks. It was just here. It was somewhere here. We spotted one. And then when we get there, we set up the camp. There's another one. Came in, say hello to the campers. And then later on the beach. There's another one on the beach. Was walking on the beach. At the moment, we are going to get some ice and bait. Oh, that's a nice view in there. There's a nice view alongside the road here. So at the moment, we are going to get some ice and a bait because they convenient. Is there a convenient store in there? Is that what you call?
There's a small shop in the camping ground.
They're waiting for the stuff to come.
Delivery.
They have.
It's
We
being
have to
held
go.
up by ice.
So coming to Etty Bay, going to Etty Bay, in and out, you must be very, very careful. Don't go berserk with yours. That is because cassowaries everywhere. They just wander off everywhere along the road. So you gotta be very, very careful so that you don't run them over, as they are a endangered species. There's only few of them around. We must do our bit to protect them by being very careful.
Can you grab it?
Okay, 7. I don't think it would not be in this side because this is to Morillian Harbour.
Give us it here.
So we're trying to find. Give to me. Okay, servo, not Sarvo. It's a servo service station. Just gonna have a look at the map. Just gotta check it gasoline station. We call it gasoline station, it's better to say gasoline station.
Where they have ice.
Yeah. So we got ice, and of course we have a bay, and we have ice cream. We call it ice cream because people say ice cream. So bon appetit, let's eat. Hi guys, it's very windy today. We are going to the beach as there behind me. But first I'm just gonna show you around the facilities they have here. So this here is the male toilet. This is open for the public. This one in here. If ever people want to come in here, people see my video, that's a little bit of information for you guys. And of course this is for the amenities for the guests that people actually pay and to stay here, campers like us. So that's the male toilet, and also shower. They have laundry area here. That's their laundry area. Probably got, I haven't tried it yet, probably a machine operated one. And of course this is the toilet for the female with shower. That is for the people, guests stays in here. And this is for the ladies toilet, this bit here. Just the walkway goes here. So that's the public toilet for visitors that comes in here to use the beach. Because we have a day trippers here too, and they have a playground for children's playground, quite safe for children, like this one here. You wanna go and play there?
Yes, I would love to play there.
Tentacles there.
What is it, babe?
Hang down a blue bottle. They float in the water because it's a bubble, and that floats, and the tentacles.
Oh! Ryan! What you did to her? She went so far away!
Blue bottle.
Look like a bottle, eh?
They give you a nasty sting. They won't kill you, but very nasty sting. So yeah, you got to be careful when you're swimming. They're floating. You're in that deep water, it will get you here or in the legs. There's another one here.
I'm scared now.
Tangled up in the far north, we've got the rainforest which grows all along the shoreline. So virtually up at Cape Tribulation they say this is where the rainforest, World Heritage Rainforest, meets the reef. But really it meets the beach. And as you can see here, you've got this dense rainforest along here, and then you have the beach out here. So you have the beach, you can see up there the headland. You've also got rainforest all there, and this beach here, there's candle nut trees all the way along here. These are candle nut trees. They call them candle nut trees because the round nut on them, you can light it up. You can squash it and get the inside bit, and you can light it up with a cigarette lighter, and it'll burn at night time and give you light. So that's why they get called the candle nut.
I think we found the right spot to go fishing here around Etty Bay, and it's in this side. That's Etty Bay there, and it's just in this side in here where there's a rock where you can actually just stand on the rock and cast your line. Just gonna watch where I'm stepping because the rocks here is really sharp, and you don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to fall and actually cut yourself with these rocks in here. It's volcanic rocks. Wow. Ta-da! We might cast in here our line. Hopefully it doesn't get tangled into that rock in there, which you can see. At the moment it's low tide. I don't know about high tide, if we can, if we're gonna manage to go over those rocks in there. It's quite wild in here. Someone's already been fishing in here. You can see the fish scale. Where is he going? He's going this way. They're running away. Oh my god, he's coming towards me. Don't come. Oh my gosh, they came here again in our camp. See you tomorrow. That's amazing, isn't it?
I think that's how we actually play.
Bobby, you didn't even know. Cassowary was just fighting
I
behind
know,
you.
I saw.
You saw? Oh, you've been looking in there. I'll go on the other side. There's a cassowary behind you. Looking at something in the basket there. So you said that the biggest, what's it? The biggest number?
Highest number
Goes-
goes first.
Oh, what? I only got one. She got 5. Okay.
So you
Only this face?
anywhere.
You just
Anywhere
grab
around
and
there.
then
Only
I'll
use
go
one
first.
hand. You can only use one hand.
Oh,
You
so
can't-
in, only one hand.
you can't use two hands.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
You really
that's
want to
okay.
take that?
Oh, one hand. Oh, I thought you said one finger. And we
How you
stuck it
gonna
at the
do
top,
that?
right?
Your turn.
Do
No,
we keep it? Or do we stuck it at the top?
No,
I thought we put it at the
yes,
top.
take it on the top.
Something about you.
my turn.
Oh yeah.
Hey!
Brian. Okay, my turn.
5 years later.
Do you think I am that dead? Oh.
You text up the block. This one.